Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you are fine. Children, in that previous video, we discussed up to 11 questions from worksheet 5, right? In this video, we are going to discuss the questions from worksheet 5, 12 onwards, 12 to 22 questions. Okay, let us see here. The sum of co-exterior angles. In that 1 to 11 questions, we are having that one of the question that is related to sum of co-interior angles is equals to how much? Okay, that is equal to 180 I said. Okay, and in the similar way here also sum of co-exterior angles also equals to 180. Okay, just see that. Okay ma, here N is a transversal, L is parallel to M, or L and M are lines and N is a transversal. Okay, now here co-exterior they are asking. So this is A and this is B. Co-exterior angles, A and B are co-exterior angles. Now here take that interior angles are some X and here this is Y. Okay ma, now here see that here A plus X is equal to 180 degrees. Why? Because again that is those two forms here linear pair. Okay, this is equation number 1. Next, B plus Y which is equals to 180 degrees. Why? Because these two also forms here a linear pair. This is 2. Okay, now here we can say that angle A is equals to angle Y. And in the same way, angle X is equals to angle B. Why? Because corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles. Okay. Now here, from 1, what we can say here? From 1 or 2, that is your wish. From 1, here we can take that A plus X is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Now here at the place of X is equal to B you can replace, and at the place of Y is equal to A you can replace. Okay. Now here A plus angle X is equal to B. Okay. A plus B is equal to 180 degrees. Now here A and B are co-exterior angles only, no? Okay. Now sum of co-exterior angles is equals to 180 degrees. Option D. Okay ma? Yes. 13th one. The length of the transversal between the parallel lines is called intercept. Yes, that's what we said now. First question from this worksheet. The distance between two parallel lines. Okay, and the distance also formed by the transversal, which is called here intercept. Okay, now here this is A and B. Now we will call this one as intercept. Okay, next, so statement A is correct. A straight line which intersects 2 or more lines at the same point is called a transversal. Is it correct ma? Here see that a straight line which intersects 2 or more lines. Okay, 2 or more lines. A straight line which intersects 2 or more lines. Intersects 2 or more lines. Intersecting at 1 line, 1 point. Intersecting at 2 lines, 2 points. Intersecting at 3 lines, 3 points. But what they are saying here, a straight line which intersects 3 or more lines, 2 or more lines at the same point. How is it possible? Not possible here. Okay, that's why here statement B is wrong. Okay, why? Because here not at the same point, at different points. Okay, intersects at distinct points, then that is called a transversal. Okay ma, that's why here statement A is correct and B is false. Statement A is correct and B is false. At the same point means wrong. Here distinct points. Not at the same point. Okay ma? Yes. 14th one, see here. Here onwards a passage related questions there. Just see the passage. Next continuation questions are there. A straight line which intersects 2 or more given lines at different points. Yes, that's what I said. Distinct points or different points. Okay, this is one of the point and this is another point. Now this line we will call that one as a transversal. Okay, and here L is a parallel to M. Okay, and N is a transversal. Clear? Now what they are asking question? Angle 6 is equal to 60 degrees. Here angle 6 is equal to 60 degrees. Now what they're asking? Angle 2 they're asking. Here angle 2 is there. Okay ma, what they given here? Angle 6 is equals to 60. The same diagram I'll draw here, see that? Here L is parallel to M, N is a transversal, here 6 is there, here 2 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, same diagram along with the same numbers. Okay, angle 6 is equal to 60 degrees. They given that angle 6 is equal to 60 degrees. Then angle 2 is equal to how much they are asking. Now, what is the relation between 2 and 6? Is there any relation here? No relation is there. Why? Because 2 and 6 are not corresponding angles. 2 and 6 are not interior alternate angles. Okay, that's why there is no relation between 2 and 6. That's why it's a connected ones there, no? See here, angle 4 and angle 6. Okay, here L is parallel to M. Here L is parallel to M. N is a transversal. Already they given in that passage. Transversal. Angle 4 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degrees. Why? Because what is the reason? Those two are co-interior or allied angles. Co-interior angles. Clear ma? Angle 4 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degrees. Already angle 6 they given here, that is 60 degrees. Angle 4 plus 60 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Now here angle 4 is equals to 180 degrees minus 60 degrees, which is equals to 120 degrees. Angle 4 is equal to 120 degrees. Angle 4 is equal to 120 degrees. Now why ma'am here we taken 4 and 6 means here there is a relation between 2 and 4. What is that relation? Here angle 2 is equals to angle 4. Why? Because those two are vertically opposite angles. Am I clear or not? Vertically opposite angles are equal. The same point I told you at the time of synopsis, right? Vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay. As per that condition here, therefore, angle 2 is equal to angle 4 is equal to how much we got angle 4? 120 degrees. That's why angle 2 is equal to 120 degrees. Am I clear, ma? Then here which option is correct? 120 degrees. Okay. Yes. Next, 15th one. Angle 1 minus angle 8. Yes. One, two, three. In that passage, how they given? Like that only I am drawing here. See that? 5, 6, 7, 8. Here L is a parallel to M. N is a transversal. L is parallel to M. N is a transversal. Okay, ma, that condition you need to write here. Now, what is the relation between 1 and 8? 1 and 8. What is the relation between those two here? Alternate exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles. Okay. Now, here angle 1 and angle 8. What we can say here? Angle 1 is equals to angle 8. Why? Because those two are alternate exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles. If the given lines are parallel, then alternate exterior angles are equal. Okay, ma? As per this condition, angle 1, here angle 8 becomes here minus angle 8. Plus angle 8 become as minus. Okay, ma? Then here angle 1 minus angle 8, which is equals to here 0 only, no? 0 degrees. Then angle 1 minus angle 8 is equal to how much here? 0 degrees. Clear? Yes. Next, an allied angle to angle 3. Okay. Same diagram. Actually, that one given in the before page, no? So, same diagram I am drawing here. See that? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. L is a parallel to M, N is a transversal. allied angle to angle 3. Angle 3 allied angle, what is that? Those two angles lies inside of the lines, and in the same way those two lies the same side of the transversal. Then here angle 3 already given. So angle 3 allied angle is angle 5 only, no? Okay, then what is that angle here? Angle 5. These two are allied angles. Allied angles are co-interior angles. Co-interior angles. Okay, then what is that allied angle here? That is angle 5. Angle 5 is the allied angle of angle 3. Okay, ma? Yes. 17th one, see here, next here also passes the given. If a transversal intersect two parallel lines at two distinct points, then their corresponding angles are equal and their alternate angles are equal. Already we know the proofs, right? Depends on this one. Here see that. The value of x in the given figure. Okay. Here as per this one, these two lines are parallel and a transversal they given. Okay, in that passage only given. Now here what about these two angles, ma? These two are corresponding angles only, no? So if the given lines are equal, given lines are parallel, then that corresponding angles are equal. What is the reason? These two are corresponding angles. If the given lines are parallel, then only this condition you have to apply it. Okay. Now here what we will get? 2x plus 61 is equal to 5x plus 10. Okay. Just 2x transposes into that RHS side. Then here 5x plus 2x become as minus 2x. And here 61 is there. Now here 61 plus 10 become as minus 10. Okay, now here 61 minus 10, which is equals to 51, is equal to 5x minus 2x is equal to 3x. From this one, x is equals to 51 by 3. 3 17ths. Then here x is equal to 17 degrees. What they asked here, angles are, which one we need to find out? X value only, no, we need to find out. That's why here x is equal to 17 degrees. Okay, yes. 18th one. The relation between A and B, if L is a parallel to M. L is a parallel to M. Then what we will call A and B here? Here A is equals to B. Why? Because those two are alternate exterior angles. What is the reason? Alternate exterior angles. That's why if the given lines are parallel, then here given lines are parallel, then alternate exterior angles are equal, alternate interior angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal. Okay. As per that condition, A is equal to B. Option C. Okay. Next. 19th one. In the figure, P parallel to Q. Okay. This is P is parallel to Q and R is a transversal. Okay, ma? R is a transversal. Yes. If angle E is equal to 60 degrees, angle E is equal to 60 degrees, then angle C is equal to how much they are asking? Okay. Here angle E is equal to, angle C is equal to angle E. What is the reason means? Alternate interior angles those two are. Here angle C and angle E, these two are alternate interior angles only, no? Those two angles lies inside of the lines and lies both sides of the transversal. Okay, ma? That's it. Alternate interior angles. That's it. Okay. Then here angle C is equal to, angle E is equals to, already see the E they given, no, 60 degrees. Angle C is equal to E is equal to 60 degrees. Obviously, angle C is equal to 60 degrees. Okay? Yes. From the adjacent figure, correct statements are, what are the correct statements? 2 and 6 are corresponding angles. 2, 6 corresponding angles. Yes or no? Yes, obviously those two are corresponding angles. 1, 8 are alternate, 1, 8 alternate exterior angles. Correct only. Next, 4, 6 are alternate interior angles. No. Next, 1, 8 are corresponding angles. 1 and 8 are corresponding angles. No, those two are 1 and 8 are alternate exterior angles. and 4 and 6 are co-interior angles. Okay, ma? That's why here these two wrong. Which one is correct? Option A, option B. Okay, these two are correct options. Yes. In the figure, a pair of alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Angle 3, angle 6. Next, angle 4, angle 5. Two pair of alternate interior angles, no? Then here options 3, 6, 4, 5. Yes. Okay, one or more than one options. Next, last question. See that, ma? Matrix matching from the adjacent figure. If S is parallel to T, S is parallel to T, R is a transversal, then ABR. What we will call A and B here? A and B, those two are what? What we can say, ma, here? A comma B. Which angles those are? Interior angles, ma, those two are? No, those two are not interior angles. Supplementary angles? Yes, those two are supplementary angles. Supplementary. And in the same way, A and B are adjacent angles also. Adjacent. And in the same way, those two forms here linear pair also. Okay. Then here ABR, which option satisfying? B, C, D satisfies. Okay. Next CE. CE. Okay. What we will call CE here? See that. C and E are interior angles. Yes or no, ma? See that. C comma E are interior angles. Those two also lies inside only, no? That's why interior angles. Next, those two are supplementary angles here. Obviously, why? Because sum of those two interior angles, co-interior angles only, no? Sum of co-interior angles is equal to 180 degrees. 180 degrees there means those two are supplementary angles or not? Yes, of course, those two are supplementary angles. Angle C plus angle E is equal to 180 degrees. That's why here is supplementary also. Okay, ma? That's why here C and E are supplementary angles, and in the same way those two are interior angles also. Okay, A, B. Clear? Yes. Next, D and F. D, F. This is also same only. D and F also. D, F. These two also interior angles. And in the same way, these two also supplementary angles. D plus F is equal to 180 degrees. Why? Because those two are co-interior angles, no? That's why. Here we can say that those two are supplementary angles also. Okay, ma? Now here, what are the options here? A, B. Okay. Next, linear pair angles not possible. Yes, AB and AB. Yes. Next one, H and F. H and F. What we will call H and F here? H and F. These two forms here, those two are interior angles. No, those two are not interior angles, and those two are supplementary angles. Yes, supplementary angles. Next, H and F. These two are adjacent angles also. Adjacent angles. And in the same way, H and F, these two forms here linear pair also. Okay. Supplementary angles, adjacent angles, and linear pair also. Which means here B, C, D. As per this one, which option is satisfying, ma, here? B, C, D. Yes, B, C, D. Next, A, B. A, B means here it is. Next, third one also A, B. Okay, fourth one BCD. Yes, option A is satisfying here. Okay, children, up to here totally worksheet 5 also completed, and in the same way here this total topic also completed. Okay, ma. In that next video we will meet with the next 7th concept. Okay, thank you all.